Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel and to my kit lineup video for February. So February is obviously Valentine's Day. It is our dating anniversary, so we will have been dating for six years, I think, in February. Obviously we're now married, so it's not like the most important anniversary, and actually we're busy the weekend of it. But anyway, and it's also the weekend of Plannerface and my sister's beer festival, so it's not necessarily the standard February lineup. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. And the first week of February is the weekend of my sister's beer festival, so that is getting a kit. And of course we are using the June mystery from Plannerface. So if you've not seen this mystery before, it is very British style pub themed. So these are your 4 boxes, but it's also got like a planner theme to it as well. So your beers are called Washy Haze and Planner Pride. Ye Old Planner Tavern is the name of it. So essentially, yeah, my sister runs a beer festival. It's actually based at a church. We often go out for dinner, for a Sunday dinner on the Sunday as well though. So this is the kit. It's obviously got like quite bright, bold colours, so it's not necessarily traditional February. It's kind of more summer vibes. But look at those day cuppers and look at that pop. Oh, love it. So that's your... I'm not going to go over the Plannerface kit format. I do use them all of the time. This is the current format, but yeah, I'm not going to go like linger on the format. And then look at your little beer mats. They've got like planner faces rather than the actual beer brands. Look at your bottom washi. I love that like paint splatter effect. Love it. So then with this sort of kit, with some kits I pair a colour with it. So there's not brown in the kit, but there's quite a lot of like browns in the 4 boxes, so I thought I'd pull in this doodle sampler. So they're like, that's a $75 freebie from Scribble Prints Co. So then you've got additional girl boxes, and you've also got some pattern boxes which are going to be great for quote overlays, and I'm not actually sure I've got a quote overlay pulled out, or that I've got any in this foil colours, so that could be interesting. So you've got alternate girls for this girl here and for this girl here. Obviously what Anna does often is the like dark skinned person is a completely different person because obviously their face shape is different and stuff. Not really sure what I'm going to do with the pattern boxes, but I do love those. And then this is your 15mm add-on. You do get all of the add-ons with the mystery kit. So that's the 15mm. You've got the box add-on, the glitter add-on, and then this is the mystery exclusive add-on. You can only get this page if you subscribe to the mystery. There's no other way to get it, and you get a load of scripts, some more icons, a second double box scene, and a load of functionals as well. So the mystery format is just so generous, and one of my favourite things, to be honest with you. It is just dead easy to use, and there's so much for you. So foil wise, so I use, if you're new to my channel, I use a kit over 2 planners. I use it in my pre-planner and then I use it in my memory planner, and it's the same kit I just use it twice I use it once for the same week over 2 planners. I just find that's the best way to utilise a full ultimate, or whatever people call the biggest size kits. So I use 2 different foil colours in both. In my pre-planner I pull in an extra strip of real washi. And so for the pre-planner, I am going to be using this rainbow washi and a rainbow foil because I love rainbow foil, and I think like with the bright primary colours, it's just, yeah. And I'm probably going to try and do red, yellow, green, blue in order in my colour block it. Like, I'm not going to colour block it, but yeah, I'm going to try and match a little bit to that. I don't know why I'm talking about colour blocking because I don't colour block in my pre-planner. And so to go with the rainbow foil, I have this foil which is Malibu, which is kind of a rainbow foil from my shop. So I've got like random leftovers from an old twinkle and some bits I've made myself over some time. So we'll just go through what I actually have. So I've got this sheet of icons. I've got some date covers which I may well use. I've got this 15mm overlay. I've got a load of header overlays. I've got some flower boxes and a couple of scripts there. I've got some more flower daisy doodle, design is called, overlays there. I've got some leftover icons, some leftover scripts, and some twinkle, old style twinkle full box overlays. So that is for my pre-planner with the rainbow foil, like that. And then for my memory planner, I am using a red sparkle. So just to show you, this is sparkly foil. It's really hard to show on camera that it's sparkly, but it is a red sparkle. There you go, you can see it a little bit. This is not a full wiggle, and I'm probably going to have to pull in a core foil colour with it. I don't know what foil colour, so if you've got a suggestion for a core foil colour, leave it down below to go with the red sparkle, because this is mostly leftovers. So I've got one page of full box, one page of the star format overlay there. I've got half the washi and this, like some of the headers and stuff there. I've got 3 bougie boxes. Then from my shop, so again this is sparkle. Again, it's quite hard to tell that it's sparkle, but it is. We've got twinkle headers, we've got confetti headers, we've got confetti corners, we've got more date covers, we've got solid like headers on white, we've got tiny hearts, we've got some more confetti, we've got a Scribble Prints Co. Icon. This is probably the best thing to show the sparkle on. There you go, that's better. I love the circle icons for that, it is stunning. Then I've got some icons from my shop, another strip of washi, some leftover icons from Scribble Prints Co., some more hearts, some date cover overlays, some Scribble Prints Co. boxes, some sparkles from my shop, a mixed icon sheet from my shop, another one, some scripts from my shop, and some Christmas themed scripts from my shop, which there's probably no point in being in there. So obviously it's like a proper random selection of red foil, but rather than using a full twinkle, I'm using that, and I just need a full twinkle or a full wiggle. I just need a core foil colour to match with it. Probably, I don't know, I really don't know. So if you have a suggestion, drop it down below what core foil I should use with that. So that is for the first week of February, which I should probably know the dates for, but I don't. So that's week 1. So that is for the week of the 30th of January to the 5th of February. So for the week of the 6th of February to the 12th of February, that is the week of Planner Palentines, which is an event that I'm having a shop at, and I'm also part of a panel there. So if you're going, drop a comment down below. And I am of course using the Planner Friends kit, which was the anniversary mystery last year from Plannerface. It's obviously planner themed, meat themed, and I freaking love it. So we've got like a table with Plannerface being the table sponsor and different things there. And we've got this afternoon tea, because that's quite often the thing. We've got a planner stack, we've got a goodie bag, some drinks, and a Plannerface stall, and this photo is actually based on a previous Plannerface stall. Isn't that cute? So that's there. It's obviously purple and blue, which is my fave, and it seems very Valentine's pinky. Then you've got some wristbands here, on the 9th full box. This is the kit format. I've obviously said I'm not going to go through it, but this is a mystery format, so it should be in the same mystery format. Then you've got like a lettering workshop, some raffle tickets, your digital ticket, and some pens there. Then you've got the loads and loads of girl boxes. So you've basically got a combination, so that you pretty much hopefully have a combination of you and one of your pals there. Then here's your 15mm add-on, your box add-on. Oh, and we didn't get a mystery add-on. Chic. That's fine. But yeah, I assume it was just a normal mystery kit, so I just got the box add-on. So no, it's not a full mystery kit format, but yeah, there we go. So that is the Planner Friends, that was the anniversary kit. Okay, so in my pre-planner, I'm going to be pairing this generally with silver foil, and I haven't pulled out any overlays actually. So I have this washi, also from Plannerface. By the way, I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly 10 to get a discount. It is not valid on the mystery, but is valid on everything else, and I will pop a picture of my freebie on screen right about now, so that you can see it. Anyway, I'm using this washi, which is still available. It's obviously planner themed, and it's purple, so it is just perfect for with this kit and this week. So that's for my pre-planner. I'm using silver foil, and here is the like bit of foil I do have pulled out ready to use with it. I've just realised I've got washi for this, but you can see the snowflake design really big on that, so I probably won't use that, to be honest. I'm not sure how much of this I will use. I'll probably use the date covers and the headers, and that's probably about it. So we'll see. Anyway, this is what I've got. So it's just a bit of silver foil. It's an old style wiggle with the cold on the back. We'll see how cold it is this week, so how much of this I use, but yeah, I really like this. I think it's a really nice little touch. Basically, I'm trying to just use up all my old format twinkles, foil wiggles, etc., because I don't love using the old formats, so I'm trying to use them in my pre-planner. So that's for my pre-planner, and then in my memory planner, I am using a mixed metal lavender hollow and hollow. I think this is in the twinkle format. Not really sure what the format's called, to be honest with you. but it's this one here. So you get 2 pages of your full box overlays. So yeah, I don't know whether you can tell it's lavender hollow mix. You can't when it's hollowing, but you can when it's not, you know. So you get 2 pages of that, 2 pages of your bougie. You've got a page of your scripts and icons and your bottom washi there, and then I've got some extra scripts and icons and some extra lavender hollow scripts there as well. So yeah, I've just pulled in some extras as well. Just it's quite nice to have a couple of extras. So that is for the week of the 6th to the, I don't know, whatever, of February. And that is actually my dad's birthday week, but he didn't get a kit because Valentine's takes precedent, Sol's dad. Okay, so next up we have my first actual Valentine's spread, and this is for the week of the 13th, so this is actually Valentine's week. Our anniversary is also in the Valentine's week. Our anniversary is the 9th of February, but anyway. So my other 2 kits are Valentine's-ish related, in my own little way. So, we have the Black Friday, Cyber Monday freebies from 2021. This was a kit Anna did. This is leftovers. I have used this kit once. It is old format and I don't know how much I've got left of it, so we'll see how this goes. But you've got 8 full boxes here, but obviously I've pulled some out, so they've got duplicate pages there. You've got some of my little things left over. I'm honestly looking at that, I'm worried about running out of little things. Got some bottom washi there. And I need to look at my bottom washi situation. I've got date covers. Yeah, as you can see, I've used quite a lot of this, so I am a little bit worried. We've got 2 sets of date covers, so that's nice. We've got some extra like daily freebies, so we've got the wash sheet, we've got the all orders freebie, got some square boxes and movie marquees. We've got the heart checklists, which I'll probably cut up into little things given how few little things I've got. We've got boxes there, we've got lots of the glitter add-on left. Got this is the mini kit first page, but we've obviously got 2 of that girl there. We've got another set of date covers. Why have I got so many date covers left? Who knows? Got boxes there, Monday through Sunday tracker. Oh, we've got another little things page. Don't know why, but we have got more little things. That's good. Maybe I took leftovers from somewhere. We've got some more washi strips. We've got more date covers. We've got more glitter headers. We've got more girl box add-ons. We've got the bottom washi page, and I've just realised I've only got 1 strip of washi for this whole kit, so I need another one, which is interesting. Hold please. Okay, so I need 3 other strips of washi because I've only got 1 in the kit. So what I'm going to do is, so this is the washi I had pulled out already. So this is in rose gold foil, and it is like a pinky purple stardust washi with rose gold. So that's washi number 1. Washi number 2, I'm going to use this one here from Plannerface again. It is in her branding. It's the terrazzo pattern, but again it's pink and purple, so just perfect for this there. So that's 2 washies. And then the third one I'm going to pull in a 15mm strip. So I'm just going to go through and see which ones would work. So this is my little stack of 15mm washies. I always need more, so if you have any and you fancy throwing them my way, please do. They're the same colour, that's why they match so well. So I'll probably use this one in my memory planner, so use these 2 in my pre-planner. So I'm gonna go with the pink because I've got 2 of it. So, and that's my third washi. So there we go. Let me just pop that in there. So yeah, lots of random pages there. So we've got rose gold in my pre-planner, and for the foil with that washi, we just got some a la carte sheets from my shop, just a random little selection. So we've got the large heart header overlays, we've got tiny hearts, we've got the heart dot corners, and we've got 2 of the Valentine's sheet left there. So that's for my pre-planner. And then in my memory planner, I am using the latest, one of the recent twinkles in bright pink foil from my shop. I only have 1 sheet of this at the moment because I haven't actually made the sheets to send out. It's one of the jobs I'm hopefully going to do today. To get these out, so I will take you sheets, but this is just to show you the foil and so I don't forget, but it will be my normal twinkle format, and I'll probably try and get an extra page of full box overlay of underlays because that's what I do just to make my life easier. So that is for the week of the 13th of February. So we are on to the last week of February, and I've left my phone somewhere, so I can't check the dates while I went to find one of the many things I've left to find. And this I need to make some more stuff for because I am using my first Oddloop kit. So if you watched my haul where I picked these up, I only picked up 2 pages. So I picked up the 4 boxes and the bottom washi sheet. And that's all I got. And again, I need to put a 15mm with this, but it kind of depends what kit colours I use. Oh, I mean, that would work because it's like the skin colour. But I don't know whether I'm going to use those 4 colours that they've pulled out. But I actually wonder about the rainbow, one of the rainbow ones. They're a bit pastel-y though. That blue is not really the right shade. None of these really work, do they? I think I'm probably going to go with this one, but probably not because it's a bit pastel. So I think I'm going to have to go with this, but I don't love it. Anyway, that's a future Tilly problem. But that's all I've got from the Oddloop kit. So I'm going to make myself functionals. I'll probably I might even make myself a 15mm to match my kit colours, to be honest. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to basically go on the listing photo, pull out 4 colours from here with a eyedropper, and then make myself functionals. And I'll probably go with some of the bright primary colours. I might even do a 7 colour like rainbow, but we'll see. Haven't decided yet. We will see. So I need to make my functionals for it. With my pre-planner, I am pairing it with hollow foil. Obviously, hollow foil does not show the best in my lighting. There we go. It does if I change my lighting a bit. So I'm using this blue washi from Simply Gilded. And then I have, for my pre-planner, I've just got some extra hollowy bits pulled out. So I've got these, this sheet of the tropical from Scribble Print Scare. I've got some food icons, I've got some other icons, various icons. I've got a little bit of leftover from the movie thing because I thought that worked quite well because obviously Up is a movie, so yeah, I thought that worked well. I've got a script and icon page and I've got a script page, so I've just got some various bits and pieces of leftovers from foil bundles. So yeah, as I say, trying to shop my stash and actually use things. So that's for my pre-planner. And then in my memory planner, and I am hyped for this, I am going to use green sparkly foil because I just think this is a vibe. It's like a pale green, like, oh, it's just stunning. Look at, let's just take a moment to appreciate that foil. Yeah, so I've got the sparkle format, maybe same format as the others. So you've got 2 full boxes, 2 underlays, script and icon, and your bottom washi with the whimsical bow, which is my preferred bow. I know lots of people don't like it, it's my preferred bow. And so that is for the last week of February. And that is it. So let's just go quickly back over. For the first week of February we have Planner Tavern, which is the June 2021 mystery from Plannerface with sparkly red foil in my memory planner. I'm just going to show off my memory planner foil pairings because they're the ones, like, my favourite ones. Then for the week of Palentine's, we have the Planner Friends from Plannerface again, and with holographic mixed metal, holographic and lavender hollow mixed metal. Then for the week of Valentine's Day, we have the Black Friday Cyber Monday freebies from 2021 paired with a bright pink foil from my shop. I can't remember what I called that pink, but bright pink foil. And last but not least, we have the Up kit from Oddloop. So 3 Plannerface and 1 Oddloop this month, and we're pairing that with sparkly green foil from Scribble Prints Co. So we've got 1 Scribble Prints leftovers, 2 Scribble Prints full foil bundles, and 1 foil bundle from my shop. So that is our kit and foil lineup for February 2023. Let me know down below if we're twinning on anything or what you're using. I suspect my friends that are coming to Palentine's also are going to be using this kit, but I suspect none of the others people are going to be twinning with. But let me know if we are down below. Comment if you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!